This is the Comica CVM WS50B product review. The product includes a manual, registration card, product card, handle, receiver, transmitter, mic, cable, and wind muff. It also comes with a case. So the case, it pretty much secures all the devices. And here's the cable and the lavalier mic. I'll show how to put the cable the way you can properly do it. Here's the wind muff. Here we have the receiver and transmitter and the handle. Here I'm going to show how to adjust the receiver. So you untighten the top part. Next is how to add the handle. So you just screw it to the bottom until it's fully tightened. So the device has UHF with 6 channels. And so you just press the bottom button to change the channel settings. Here's the output. Here's the volume control. Same thing here, you just power on, change the channel setting. They have to be the same channel for it to work. Here we have the cable plug-in. You're going to want to plug in the gray cable to your smartphone and the black one to the device, otherwise it won't work. Here I had to install an app because my smartphone does not provide an external mic. I have the Moto G5, so I had to install manual cam and set it to external. And the best setting I noticed was stereo as well. Next, I'm going to do the audio test. Okay, so I'm in my garage and I'm going to test the audio. I'm going to walk probably like 50 feet away, like probably 30, 50, I didn't count. And I'm just going to keep talking so to see if it picks up and everything, and the audio's good. I do have the washer dryer on, so you might be able to hear that. And so I'm just walking approximately 30 or 50 feet. And hopefully you can still see me. I'm gonna walk back. And hopefully you can hear the lapel microphone and the quality.